and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've got a few new paintings to share with you from a new to me company. This one is called PaintingClubs.com, and they were kind enough to send me 3 items to share with you all. So let's start with this one. Why not? And let's have a look at what we have in here today to show you all. So this one, you know, as I say, I pick paintings that I just like the look of. The clarity on that one is actually really nice from what I can see. You can definitely make out what it is. I like the fact that it's got the bright colour, but I like the ocean. I like the sea. To see the sea or ocean, depending on what country I'm in. It's down to 40 by 30. The actual canvas size is just short of 35 by just short of 20, well, about 25. It has 25 colours, so it has a really nice amount of colours, which is, I think, is what is helping down here. Definitely look like the sea coming into the shore. And if you look, it's very confetti-ish, but it is very clear. There's a few different shades as well, so even in the blue, we've got 3 or 4 shades, which make it look nice and give that texture that you see from a distance. We've got a basic toolkit, boat wax pen, and then for the colours, I can get in it to show you the colours we have. So quite a few bright colours as well as some more muted peaches, navies, quite a bit of pink. Is that the sea? Is that the, sorry, that's the sky part here. That's in a very pale pink. We've got some burgundies, and we've got some nice bright colours that you find on the deck chairs. Reds, pinks, blues, oranges. Gorgeous. We've got some greys, and then we've got some more browns and reds and more oranges. So this does have, as I say, 25 colours, so it's got a very nice selection of colours in this one, which helps bring out that clarity, I find. There is a time you can get to too many shades of colours, but looking at the canvas before any diamonds are placed, I think the balance on this one is pretty good. It's pretty good. It is a round, just so you know, it is a round diamond painting, but I think it definitely is clear from what the thumbnail is. The image definitely reflects that. So, very good start. Okay, let's have a look at painting number 2. Because I forgot what I asked for, so that it's always like a mini surprise again, but I know I like them because I picked them. Oh, this one is a partial. It is a round partial, and this will be quite a quick one to do, to be fair. This is 15 colours. We do have DMC numbers on the packet, but the part you basically do is the houses. Yeah, so it's just the houses in the background here that you do, and the rest is already pre-printed. So if you like a quick project, I know there are some people that just prefer partials, whether it's because of, you know, the depth that you get with them, you get a bit more texture because you're just doing some of the design and not all of it, and you can get the clarity and the finer detail in the likes of the trees because they are an image, whereas you then get the nice texture in the buildings. Say, I know there are some people that prefer that, and it's always nice to try something different. Try a painting that, you know, won't take as long as some others, just so you get that quicker satisfaction. That's why I like mixing up my small and my big paintings. You get a basic toolkit, boat wax pen, and then colours wise, so we do have the DMC colours on this one, so you can see here number 1 where it says 310, that is the DMC colour. and then 823 is a DMC colour. But we've got black and navies. Of course, we've got quite a bit darker colours because it is these houses in the background. We do have some nice shading colours in there as well. There's not loads of diamonds because there's not loads of the image that you do. But then we've got some of the browns in there as well. A little bit of yellow for the light and some white to go with the light as well. And they do have all the numbers on there. So that's 13, 14, 15. By the looks of it, their printer may not have printed after number 8. So we've got DMC numbers up to number 8. After that, we don't have DMC numbers. So it's a half and half. That's a bit different. I'm guessing they had a printer issue. And rather than waste all these diamonds, they just, half of them have DMC numbers and half of them don't. But I have a place for ones with no DMC numbers as much as I have a place for those with DMC. Though those without just tend to get dumped. And then last but by no means least, this one's in a different type of jiffy bag, so it's actually partly open. This is a bigger diamond painting. Yeah, trying to make sure that I sort of vary up. So this is a long one. This is Venice. Now it's also a round, but the clarity on that is so nice. I do like that. I'm not sure how the shading's going to go in the sky. Hopefully that will still look nice. But the buildings definitely do look nice. And the water, the shading in that is great. I'm not sure how the shading in the sky will go, but you can't always take the canvas as the way the shading goes. Only because quite often they have more difference in these, but actually the DMC colour is more subtle. Standard toolkit, boat wax pen. And then this one is an 80 by 30. So this would look nice above a doorway. I like these longer, thinner ones above a doorway. It's just short of 75 by 25. But you could mount this on foam board, very similar to what I did with my trees above my craft room door, and have this above a doorway in a room, and I think they look really nice up there. It's like an extra little place in your home that needs a picture. But we've got lots of colours with this one, as you can imagine. So we've got 24 colours. I don't think I've got anything heavy enough to stop it curling, but just to show you the colours that are in there. We do have DMC numbers on the actual canvas itself, so you can work out which ones they are, but we've got quite a variety of colours here. Lots of blues. We've got some yellows and some pinks for the sky. We've even got purple and some orange. Where does that orange go? Is that orange in the sky? Yeah, it is. That is orange in the sky, so maybe that sky will look like that once it's completed. Oh, there's more diamonds. There's more. Let's put them over there. And there's the rest of the colours. I'll fight with getting those diamonds away in a minute, but that is a gorgeous picture of Venice. Even with that sky that might not have the same effect, but the buildings definitely will. It's got a bit of confetti, but I think that's how you get the clarity. So thank you so much to Painting Clubs for sending me these. I will pop the links down to them all below, but we have a nice Venice scene. We have a nice winter scene with some houses if you fancy a partial. And then if you want warming up, we have some deck chairs ready for the summer that I hope is coming sooner rather than later, because it's been pretty cold. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.